Chiyangwa chickens out of Chinhoyi. ZANU PF Central Committee member and former Chinhoyi legislator, Chiyangwa, has reportedly set his eyes on Zvimba South parliamentary seat to avoid facing MDC-T in that constituency in this year's general elections. Chiyangwa, who dismally lost the Chinhoyi race to MDC-T candidate, Peter Matarutse, in the 2013 elections, could neither confirm nor deny reports that he had ditched Chinhoyi. "I started my political career in Zvimba and there is nothing sinister about that, as the constitution allows a person from Bulawayo to be voted in Chinhoyi. Ignorance is what kills us," he said. Walter Chidakwa represented Zvimba South constituency, before he was suspended for aligning himself with the G40.